So today we will explain the quantity of material and cost required to make a double pole distribution substation which will uses a 250 kVA transformer. So the material part, first part is a PCC pole, plain cement concrete pole, which is a 8-meter long pole. So we require two number of such poles. So as individual pole cost 7,000, so total 14,000 need to be invested in making PCC pole. Second is 11 kV lightning arrestor expulsion type with a discharge capacity of 65 kiloampere. A set of we require three number of lightning arrestor. Individual cost 5,000, so a total of 15,000 need to be invested on it. So if you look at this diagram, there are three lightning arrestors connected to the top channel. It is already said. There are two pole structure. Individual pole cost 7,000, so there are two pole which will cost 14,000. Next we require to purchase lightning arrestor. Individual lightning arrestor cost 5,000, so we need to invest 15,000 on the lightning arrestor. The third part is a 11 kV gang operated switch. The gang operated switch is placed just below this lightning arrestor, and this gang operated switch cost approximately 18,000. The next is a fuse unit. Fuse unit cost is 800, and as there are 3 unit, we require to invest 2,400. The next part is a disc insulator. If you look at the diagram, there are 3 disc insulator connected to the top channel. Individual disc cost 1,000. So as there are 3 disc insulator, total 3,000 need to be invested in purchasing disc insulator. We required a transformer which will convert the 11 kV voltage to 415 volt, and this transformer is a 250 kVA 11 to 0.415 kV 3-phase delta to star connected oil field type, and its cost is almost 3,20,000. The next part is earthing set, complete GI plate earthing. I have explained that there are 3 plate earthing required, one for the transformer, one for the lightning arrestors, and one for the channels and the fuse units or the switches. So 3 earthing set, individual earthing set require 2,000, so a total of 6,000 need to invest on it. MS channels are those mild steel rods which are connected between these two poles. These are called channels, and a total of 8 number of channel required to design the pole structure so that the individual component can be placed on it, like this TPMO switches, fuse units, transformer need to be placed on this channel. So a total of 8 number of MS channel required. Individual channel cost 200, so a total 1,600 need to be invested on it. If we count the number of channel, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. The next is barbed wire. Barbed wires are such wires which have some sharp edges, pointy edges, which will serve the purpose of security, which will provide security to this installation. No one can climb to this pole structure because these poles are attached with this barbed wire which have some pointed edges on it. 10 kg of barbed wire required, and if 1 kg cost 100 rupees, then 10 kg will be 1,000 rupees. We required 7 meter, at least 7 meter long barbed wire. The next is binding wire. The insulator is need to be bounded to the cable or the line. So for that purpose we required binding wire, 1 kg 1,000 rupees. 1 kg 1,000 rupees. The next is nuts and bolts. We require some nuts and bolts as for the requirement. Approximately 1,000 needs to be invested on nuts and bolts. The next component is a ICTP switch, ironclad triple pole switch, which rating is 400, 660 volt rewirable type fuse, which will cost 10,000. The next unit is a ACSR conductor. Rating is 7 by 2.11 mm, 85 kg per kilometer, 10 meter and 200 per kilometer, 200 per meter, which will be 2,000 rupees. The next structure or the next component is a eye bolt. Eye bolt looks like this type of structure. So this eye bolt is required to fix a cable to a structure. 4 number of eye bolts are required. Individual cost, this 4 number of eye bolt cost 100 rupees. The next component are stay insulator. 2 number of stay insulator are required. So 2 into 100, 200 rupees on it. Next is a jumper wire. We require jumper wires. The jumper wire are used to jump the lines to the other equipments, like here from the lightning arrestor. With the help of jumper wire, we will reach to the TPMO switch. These wires are called jumper wires. So we will require at least 11 meter of jumper wire. Individual 1 meter will cost 60 meter. Each meter will cost 60 meter. So total of 660 rupees need to be invested on the jumper wire. Next is PVC cable, 3 core, 1100 volt grade, rating, size 19 by 1.63 mm. 5 meter of it is required, and it will cost 1000 rupees, because for 1 meter it will cost 200 rupees. Next we will include some petty items. These are some unimportant items. We will cost it for 1000 rupees. A 11 kV danger board is also required, which will put on any of the pole structure with a height of at least 1.5 meter from the ground level. It will cost 100 rupees. 3 pin insulators are also required. These pin insulators are connected at the top channel. The lines will come along this pin insulator, and with the help of jumper wire it will connect it to the TPMO switches. This line should not touch or in contact with the top channel, so that we require some pin insulator from the top edge of the pin insulator. The line is passed to the TPMO switches. So 11 kV danger board and some pin insulator required. So 3 number of pin insulator, as there are 3 lines, and it will cost 300 rupees. So if you calculate the total amount, it will be 3,86,560. Some amount of money you need to invest on storage and transportation charges. It will be 5% of the total, which will be approximately 20,000. Next is the labor charge, which will be 10% of the total amount. This amount you have to pay to the labor which are employed to erect this pole structure, and the amount will be at least 10% of the total amount, which is 40,000. You need to call an electrical engineer, inspection engineer, for the inspection purpose, and he or she will charge at least 2,000 rupees for the inspection. So if you now calculate the grand total, it will be 1,48,560, which is approximately 1.5 lakhs. There are some other items too. If you want, you can include it, like energy meter. I have just forgot to include energy meter. It will cost around 5,000 rupees. So thank you. In this way you can estimate the total amount of money you need to invest to design a distribution substation, 11 kV distribution substation. Thank you.